Look, everyone, how cute these little babies are. Their big eyes go blink, blink, and they suck on their little pacifiers. Suck, suck, suck. Don't you think they are super adorable boys and girls? But oh dear, the little babies can't find their daddies and mummies. Let's help them look for their mummies.
Oh no! Oh no!
Mummy Fox looks at the baby in her hands, but she shakes her head with a confused look.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Mummy Panda looks at the baby in her hands, and she waves her hand at the little baby too. Mummy Fox looks closely at the baby's forehead. Her own baby doesn't have wrinkles.
Oh no! Oh no!
Mummy Panda looks at the baby's eyes. Her own baby has dark circles around his eyes.
No!
Mummy Panda looks at the baby's ears. Her own baby has round little ears. Mummy Frog looks at the baby in her arms. Her own baby is bright green. Mummy Panda looks at the baby in her arms, and a big smile breaks out as she laughs happily. Mummy Frog has found her own little baby too.